Hey guys, welcome back to my yet another unboxing video. Today I am going to unboxing a phone which is Vivo V9 Youth. Well, I bought it from Flipkart in 13,990 Indian rupees, where its actual price is 19,990 rupees. Now let's unbox this. Here you can see the Vivo V9 box with plastic wrap. In front of the box you can see the printing of Vivo V9 Youth, perfect shot, perfect view. Back side of the box you can see the all features like full view display, dual rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera with a 4GB RAM. Now let's open it. After opening the box, first thing you will get is a packet. Inside it you will get a silicone case and a stack of manual. And a SIM ejector tool. Now let's see the box contains a silicone case, headphone which is quite inspired to Apple, micro USB charger cable, and USB power adapter. Now come to the phone. Let's boot it up first. Phone is quite sleek with a black glossy finish. Backside you see the fingerprint sensor, dual rear camera with a flash. At side you get the volume rockers, power switch, and other side the SIM slot. There's nothing in upside. Downside you can see the charging slot, speakers, and 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's start it up. Let's register the fingerprint sensor. Done. After completing the start section, first you can see the main screen of Vivo V9 Youth. Display is quite smooth because it's Ultra HD full view display. Let's check it out by playing a video. So here's my quick unboxing and quick review of Vivo V9 Youth. Hope you liked it guys. If you liked it, then please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to buy Vivo V9 Youth, then link in the description below. That's it for today's video guys, and I will see you in my next video.